clothes have lost their value. 350,000 tonnes of clothes are thrown away into landfill every year in the UK alone. But fashion doesn't need to mean waste. Clothes can be repaired, especially if people are given the skills to mend them. People are not aware of the significant impact they could have just by repairing their clothes on the environment. Doubling the life of your clothes can reduce your carbon footprint by 24%. We want to see that number rise. Urban Outfitters' campaign Raise to 24% aims to raise awareness of the impact of mending clothes and passing that knowledge on, as well as making the repaired clothes a fashion statement. The campaign will use a mixture of guerrilla adverts on various fast fashion brands, out-of-home adverts such as Zara, Primark and TU, an event using influencers and a new product sold exclusively at Urban Outfitters. The campaign will run throughout April 2022, the month of Fashion Revolution Week. The product is a repair box filled with needles, thread, iron-on patches, some fabric and instructions. The boxes will be in yellow and grey. Influencers such as Lily Phillip and Rosie Beer will use their social media platforms to try on repaired clothes, mend and give tutorials, as well as sell them to Urban Outfitters customers as special collections, as the general public will also be able to sell repaired clothes in Urban Outfitters. This will be seen in stores, windows and online. In addition to this, Urban Outfitters selling clothes, there will also be a catwalk of people's repaired clothes on the 23rd of April 2022 at Hampstead Heath. This was chosen as a location as a lot of people will walk past the event.